Welcome to Moda AI. Turn clothing photos into on-model images and short videos. Tired of photo shoots and slow turnarounds? Save time and cost with AI-powered visuals. To get started, upload front and back images of your garment. You can add an optional model face reference to guide the look. Now choose your settings, add accessories, or refine a model description. You can select by category, use drop-downs, and refine with text for the exact look you want. Use presets to go faster. You can select up to 10 shots to build a consistent catalog. Refine further with camera angles and pose options. You can also describe custom poses or actions for precise results. Here's an example of the on-model images Moda AI generates. Consistent, polished, and campaign-ready. To create a video, first choose the image set you want to animate. Pick a start frame and an end frame. Moda AI builds a smooth 10-second product video from your sequence. Your final catalog is ready. Consistent, on-brand visuals you can publish immediately. For best results, don't cut off the garment's sides. Don't make it too small in frame. Set the output aspect ratio with your first photo and avoid faces in on-person shots. Moda AI works with mannequin, flat lay, and on-model inputs. Start free with 2 credits on the Shopify App Store. Learn more at modaai.app.